Sleeps in woolen mist, salt clings cold where night has kissed. Dim lanterns sway on silent tide, and mariners to Mary cry.
The waves beat black on barnacled stone, each sailor fears the deep alone. Yet through the fog a star burns pale, the maiden's lamp beyond the gale.
Old ropes grown soft like souls in pain, the gull wheels low through silver rain. A widow kneels beside the queen, with rosary worn smooth the sea. Then dawn unfolds the hidden shore, the chapel bell is heard once more,
And all who cross the drowning foam
give thanks unto Our Lady.